everyone. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how you can log out of your Twitter account on all devices. First step, open Twitter on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. Then press the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and search for Settings. Now press Security and Account Access. Then go to Apps and Sessions. Under Apps and Sessions, you'll see different options. So here you have to press Logged in Devices and Apps. You'll be asked to enter your password here, so just type your password and press Confirm. Once you've pressed Confirm, you will be redirected to this page where you will be able to see the gadgets where your Twitter account is logged in. In my case, for example, I have phones and tablets. Now, to log out of these devices, go back to Apps and Sessions, then wait for a few seconds for the page to completely load. Here, just go to Sessions, and you'll be able to see all the detailed devices where your Twitter account is logged in. While you can manually log out of each device by pressing each of it, you can also automatically log out of all devices by pressing the red Log Out of All Devices icon. Once you press this button, you'll be asked to confirm if you want to log out of all the devices and sessions, and just like that, we are done with this tutorial. If this helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe.